everyone. My name is Mihir, and today's agenda is to creating a Oracle database cloud service, generally we call DBCS. And this session will be with hands-on workshop. Let me take you to the next slide. So it's just about the introduction of DBCS. So DBCS is fully managed database service offered by Oracle Cloud, and it provides a scalable, secure, and high available database solution for all business. And with Oracle DBCS, user can access the power of Oracle database without the hassle of managing hardware and software and infrastructure. So it's really easy, and the administrator should not be worried about managing the hardware and software, right? This slide will talk about the key features of Oracle DBCS. So the first very famous feature is a scalability, which is giving a opportunity to downgrade and upgrade the database resources. And then second feature is for security, which will allow to enable the encryption and access control and the data masking. So this is really very, very important in the modern infrastructure. And then the third feature is a high availability, which is giving opportunity for taking the automatic backup, failover, and disaster recovery capability. Now, let me take you the last slide, and then we'll start the practical. So this slide is for how we can create the Oracle DBCS. So what do we need to do? Just create a Oracle account and navigate the Oracle DBCS service, and then choose the database addition and then just provision it, right? It's very simple. So let me take you on the practical. Once you log into the OCI, the console homepage will be looking like this. So what you need to do, you just have to click on left side hamburger menu, click on Oracle database. So there are various database services, autonomous database, and then we have a Hexadata database, and then we have a Oracle based database service. So today I'm going to discuss about Oracle based database service. So you just click on the Oracle DBCS and then click on create database system, and then you have to create a compartment. So compartment is already created. So I am just selecting the database name, and for this case I will just say DB test 1. And very important to notice that we have to very sure about the shape. So if you see here configure shape, maybe you don't need the AMD processing, right? So you need a Intel processing power. So you can click on Intel, and then based on your requirement, you can increase and decrease the OCPU. So I just need 6. So I will just add 6, and then click select shape. Now you need to scroll down and complete the storage requirements. So what you're looking to get a default storage with 256 GB storage and 19.2K IOPS, right? But my requirement is different. I need more IOPS, so you can just click on change storage and click on the high performance, and then you have options to get the high performance storage and also to change the capacity. So I need 512, and then you can click on save change. So right now you see the IOPS has been double, right? Now click on the configure the DB system. So now you need a node. So based on your requirement, you can select the node. I'm just selecting 1 because I just need 1. And very important to notice that you need a license, which version you wanted to start or install, right? So I am going for standard edition, but you have various options to select enterprise, and then other 2 options are there. So I'm just clicking on standard. Then your SSH key. So I already have the SSH key. So I'll just click on my own SSH key. And then if you have your own license for Oracle DB, then you can click on bring your own license. But if you wanted to get from Oracle, then you can click the first option. So I'm just clicking on the license included. Now, the DB should be part of the private subnet generally. So I'm just selecting my VCN, which is created. And then I have two subnets. So I'm just selecting the private subnet here. And then this is just a prefix. I can add it any name. And then scroll down. And then diagnostic collection. This feature will be allowing guest VM to check the issues. If there is any issue, it will be notified to you. So I think we have to select these two options default and then move on. Click next. Now the database name. So what will be the database name? So I will just say DB0. Then scroll down and the database image, right? This is very important to know that right now there are three different database version, 19C, 21C and 23 AI. This is recently added with the AI capability, and possibly this will be really very famous in future. But for this requirement, I'm going to use only 19C. So I will just select 19C. And then scroll down, then you need a create a administrator credential. So just need to add the password for it. So I'm just adding the password so that we can access. And then scroll down, and then as we discussed earlier, we can create a automatic backup, right? So we can also create a backup here by enabling this option. And this can be going to the object storage or autonomous recovery service. Based on your requirement, you can select it. But for this case, I don't need it. So I will just uncheck it. And then I will click on Create DB System. Great. So far we have done the initial configuration and DB system is getting provisioned. Now you see the stage of DBS, it's a provisioning. And it takes some time to get this ready state. So for that, I already created one test one. So I will just take you there. And then you can check those configuration is already there. You have a database name here, and then you have a detail about it. Then you have a nodes, you have a detail about it. This is how we manage and we create the Oracle DBCS, right? You can check all the status by clicking here and what the network configuration which you have done and which you needed. So these are the detail which is already listed here. I think I'm very clear about the DBCS, but if you have any question, you please write your comments and I will answer those questions. And thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.